So Brendo, rain's just passed, mate. We've just popped out of the awning. And I just noticed something as we were sitting the other day. This leg's a little bit lower than the other side, mate. Can you explain what's going on there?
Yeah, it is, mate. I just wanted to showcase on the 2x2.5 full drive awning here that just how waterproof these guys are. They're a 280 GSM heavy duty poly cotton ripstop canvas. But as you can see, has been raining and the water just beads right off.
Right underneath.
Yep.
Water beading on the top.
Correct.
And you got it down here just to keep the runoff going.
Exactly right. You know, we have got the side spreader poles here to keep it nice and taut, which a lot of the awnings in the market these days don't come with that. So it just goes to show how sturdy it is.
And if the rain picks up, you can got the guy ropes here. We can guy rope it out and keep it secure.
Exactly right.
Mate, it's a great product.